Hey there, YouTubeverse, the Tinker Bandit here, and over the last few days I've been making an angle iron bookcase. Heather Goodwife asked me to replicate a bookcase that she found in a coffee shop that she really liked. I said yes, even though I had no idea how I was going to do it. And quite frankly, I'm still not sure how I ended up doing it. So please enjoy. See how we did. So these are not beautiful. Yeah, that's really ugly. That's not so bad. Those aren't so bad. They will hold shelves though. I was just going to bolt these hinges onto the top of the frame, but instead, I spitefully welded them. The neighbors described it as angry and sad, with a lot of ugly crying. But it all worked out, and the angle iron structure itself turned out to be really sound. The shelves on this bookcase are just Douglas fir. And I really want to give it a rough, tool-kissed look, if not tool-beaten look. And I'm going to stain them golden oak and give it a nice, glossy varathane coating. And after the shelves dry, that's pretty much it. Voila. So as you can see, we celebrate Christmas 3 months out of the year. 1 anticipation month, 1 appropriate month, and 1 denial month. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please give me a like and subscribe to stay on top of my jack-of-all-trades projects. There's really no telling what I'll do next. I don't even know what I'm gonna do next. Be safe and keep on tinkering. Are you looking at my exhaust hole?